Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how you could leverage all the APIs that come out of the box with your Cisco switch in order to automate some routine configurations. Now if we're looking at the topology here, you can see I've got two Nexus in a VPC pair with the usual keep alive and peer links, and I want to automate a bond. I want to automate VPC and I want to automate a port channel to come up. So the idea is that the automation script can run once, build all the necessary configuration, and then that way the network team can get out of the way and that server team can continue on building out that server. Bring up Postman. Now the collection that I'm going to run was built purely just from the Cisco API documentation. Step one, the script is going to log into the switch. It's going to tag some interfaces, so using that interface description configuration. It's going to add the physical ports to a port channel. It's going to configure the port channel as a trunk, etc., and then add the VPC tag to that port channel. That's all it's going to do. Now you'll see that within this collection, there's a whole bunch of variables: management IP, the VPC ID. Now where that comes from is just a CSV file that I've got up here in front of me. You'll see it's got all those variables are listed out here, and all you need to do is just edit this file, apply it to the collection when you run it, and Bob's your uncle. It's all done. So let's come back here. Sorry, we'll go back to our Postman. Let's run that. We'll select the file. We'll go, it's this one here, and we'll run it. Now it's going to do a whole bunch of tasks. As you can see on the right hand side, I'm getting a bunch of 200 OK, so that is good. It's done. Cool. So we'll go back to our switches. So I'm on the CLI for Nexus 2, for example. I'll do a show int status. I've now got a whole bunch of ports that are configured. And I've got my server port in particular that I'm after. That's up. That was pre-set up. So show run int eth14. Perfect. I'll go show run int port channel 4. Perfect. There's the VPC IDR that I wanted. I'll go show VPC consistency global. I've got no suspended VLANs. I'll go VPC 4. There we go. That's perfect. It's configured on the local switch and also my peer switch. I'll go to the peer switch quickly and have a quick look. Same thing. Wonderful. Number 4 and show VPC consistency VPC 4. Everything's ready to roll. And if I've done it right, if I go to my little server, and I'll log back into my server, show ether channel summary, there we go, my port's up. Show int port 1, it's been built. So you'll see it's pretty simple just to use Postman, build a collection, run a bunch of, predefined configuration to it. Easy as that.